Life is a journey, and each one of us has the power to make it extraordinary. But what does it mean to truly live your best life? It's about embracing who you are, pursuing your passions, and finding joy in every moment. So, are you ready to embark on this incredible adventure? Let's dive in. First and foremost, living your best life starts with self-acceptance. Embrace all your quirks, strengths, and imperfections. It's about loving yourself unconditionally and knowing that you are enough. Don't let anyone's opinions define your worth. Next, it's time to uncover your passions. What sets your soul on fire? Is it writing, dancing, or working with animals? Whatever it may be, make time for it. Dive deep into those activities that bring you immense joy and fulfillment. Remember, the happiest people in the world are the ones doing what they love. Living your best life is also about seeking growth and personal development. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone, try new experiences, and learn from every opportunity. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. It's in those moments that you truly grow, evolve, and become the best version of yourself. Don't forget to nurture your relationships along the way. Surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. Cherish your loved ones, make time for deep connections, and let go of toxic relationships. Your tribe should be your support system, fueling your dreams and encouraging you to be the best you can be. Lastly, living your best life means finding balance. Prioritize self-care, both physically and mentally. Take care of your body with exercise, nourishing food, and enough sleep. And don't neglect your mental well-being. Practice mindfulness, gratitude, and find moments of calm amidst the chaos. Remember, you deserve to be at peace. In conclusion, living your best life is a conscious choice. It's about embracing yourself, pursuing your passions, seeking growth, nurturing relationships, and finding balance. Don't wait for tomorrow or someday. Start living your best life today, because every moment is an opportunity to create the life you've always dreamed of. Embrace it, own it, and make it extraordinary.